Hey guys, it's Justin Zacharow here with Blue West Realty. Welcome to downtown. Here's a tour of my top 3 favorite neighborhoods. Let's check them out. Yaletown has a great sub area called Marina Side. Great spot to grab a coffee and walk along the seawall. Mainland and Hamilton are the 2 most iconic streets in Yaletown. They have the best shops, the best restaurants, and the best nightlife. With all the great restaurants here, I love going to bricks and mortar, and if I'm going for a drink, I love checking out Banter Room. The West End has all the beaches in downtown Vancouver. You got Sunset Beach, English Bay, Second Beach, and Third Beach. Denman and Davie have some of the best restaurants in all of Vancouver. If you're looking to try the best Caesar, check out the Score on Davie. If you're looking for a quick bite, check out Mary's. Now we're on Robson Street, where you can find some of the best shopping in all of the West End. The West End is one of the easiest areas to explore for visitors. Having a gateway to Stanley Park truly gives you the lifestyle to live outdoor while living downtown. From Cole Harbour's stunning seawall, you'll find multi-million-dollar yacht, Stanley Park from across the water, Harbour Air seaplanes landing and taking off, ships coming in and out of port, and lots of people riding their bikes, walking, and talking along the beautiful seawall. Along the seawall, you'll find Vancouver's Convention Centre, as well as Canada Place, where you see those iconic sails that are in every postcard. If you're looking to grab a drink in Cole Harbour, the Fairmont Pacific Rim Lobby Lounge is a great spot to hit up. If you're looking for restaurants, Cole Harbour has amazing seafood restaurants like Cardero's or Lift. Cole Harbour is also in the financial district of Vancouver. It's also surrounded by hotels. 3 of my favorite towers in Cole Harbour are 3 Harbour Green, the Shaw Tower, and the Fairmont Pacific Rim. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you love these neighborhoods as much as I do, give me a call to make your real estate goals happen.